Okay, in last lecture we have discussed frequency sampling method for FIR filter design. Today we will discuss some of the examples of Kaiser window and optimal window selection, and then we will discuss in next lecture examples of frequency sampling method. This example series is of FIR filter examples, and we have a question number 4. So the given question is, design a type 1 low pass filter for the given specifications, that is omega p is equal to 0.2 pi, omega s is equal to 0.3 pi, delta 1 is given as 0.00123, delta 2 is given as 0.00019. First by using optimal window, second by using Kaiser window. Then we will start the solution. So first we list all the given items. Omega p is given as 0.2 pi, omega s is given as 0.3 pi, and delta 1 is given as 0.00123, delta 2 is given as 0.00019. We will use these specifications to find out first omega c, that is equal to half of omega p plus omega s, that will be equal to half 0.5 pi, it is equal to 0.25 pi. Second, we will find out the attenuation, but for attenuation we have to find out delta, that is equal to minimum of delta 1 comma delta 2. So the minimum value will be the value of delta, that is 0.00019. Now using this we can find out the attenuation in a stop band, that is A equals to minus 20 log base 10 delta. Now substituting the value, we will get minus 20 log base 10 0.00019, which is equal to minus 20 into minus 3.7212, which will give 74.24 dB. So now we have find out the attenuation required in a stop band, and we know from the table, if we find out rectangular triangular Hamming Hanning and Blackman window, attenuation, rectangular window has attenuation of 21 dB, triangular is 26 dB, Hamming is 54.5 dB, Hanning is 44 dB, and Blackman is 75 dB. Comparing the required attenuation for this filter, that is 74.24 dB, the nearest one is Blackman window. So we will use Blackman window as it is the most optimal window for this example. So we have find out the optimal window, which is Blackman, by comparing the attenuation in stop band. Next is we'll find out ideal filter response. For that, we know type 1 linear phase FIR filter to be designed. That's mean first sequence should be symmetric. Second, sequence length should be odd. Now, for Blackman window, main lobe width is 12 pi by m and transition width is equal to my omega s minus omega p, which is equal to 0.3 pi minus 0.2 pi, which is equal to 0.1 pi, and comparing main lobe width with the transition width, which are approximately same, will give 12 pi by m equals to 0.1 pi. Pi cancelled out. M is equal to 12 by 0.1. That's mean M should be greater than or equal to 120. Now the condition of type 1 filter makes M should be odd. That's mean M is equal to 121 we have taken. Now we have find out filter length and the order is M minus 1, which is equal to 120. This is filter order. Filter order is given as M minus 1. Now for linear phase FIR filter, H d omega will be equal to exponential minus j t omega. Linear phase FIR filter for type 1 actually. It is exponential minus j t omega from minus omega c omega to omega c and 0 elsewhere, and where t is equal to m minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 121 minus 1 by 2 equals to 60. So t is 60. So h d omega is now exponential minus j 60 omega minus omega c omega c 0 elsewhere. Now finding out the HDN will be equal to sine omega c n minus t over pi n minus t, where t is 60, omega c is 0.25 pi. Substituting, we'll get HDN equals to sine 0.25 pi n minus 60 over pi n minus 60, where n will vary from 0 to m minus 1, and actually we have to find out only values from 0 to 60. After that it will repeat. Now part first of the solution, that is, we have find out the optimal window, which is Blackman window. Now multiplying HDN with window will truncate the sequence and give FIR filter response. So WBN is equal to 0.42 minus 0.5 cosine 2 pi n by m minus 1 plus 0.08 cosine 4 pi n by m minus 1, where n varies from 0 to m minus 1. Now in this case m minus 1 is 120. Then Hn will be equal to HDN into WBN, which can be written as HDN equals to sine 0.25 pi n minus 60 over pi n minus 60. Then multiplying with WBN will give 0.42 minus 0.5 cos 2 pi n by m minus 1 plus 0.08 cos 4 pi n by m minus 1 for n equals to 0, 1, 2 up to m minus 1, which is 120. Using symmetric property, Hn will be equal to h m minus 1 minus n will reduce the calculation by half, as we have seen in previous examples. Now this is the impulse response with Blackman window. Now we will discuss part 2, FIR filter design using Kaiser window. Now this same filter we want to design with Kaiser window. In this process, part 1 is first choose the minimum ripple, as we have done before. Delta will be equal to minimum delta 1 comma delta 2. So delta will be equal to 0.00019. Second part is to calculate stop band attenuation, and as we have done this before, A comes out to be 74.24 dB. For Kaiser window, part 3rd is finding the order of the window. So in this case, we know for Kaiser window m is greater than or equal to, which is given as a minus 7.95 over 14.36 delta f plus 1 for a greater than or equal to 21 dB and 0.9222 by delta f plus 1 for a less than 21 dB. In this case, a is 74.24 dB or m will be greater than or equal to a minus 7.95 by 14.36 delta f plus 1. Now we know a is 74.24 dB and delta f is equal to omega s minus omega p over 2 pi, which is equal to 0.1 pi by 2 pi. We'll solve, we'll get it is 0.05. Substituting this to find out the value of m, will give m is greater than or equal to 74.24 dB minus 7.95 over 14.36 into 0.05 plus 1. So m is greater than or equal to 93.57. Now we have to design type 1 filter, FIR filter, that is m should be odd. Then we can take m is equal to, next is 94 and then 95. So now we have set m is equal to 95 for the Kaiser window. After finding the order of the filter, we will find out beta parameter for the Kaiser window. Now beta is equal to 0 for a less than 21 or equal to 21. Beta will be equal to 0.5842 a minus 21 to the power 0.4 plus 0.07886 a minus 21 from 21 to 50 for a's value varying from 21 to 50 and 0.1102 a minus 8.7 for a greater than 50. We know in our case a is equal to 74.24 dB. Then to find out beta, we have to use 0.1102 a minus 8.7, which will give 0.1102 74.24 minus 8.7 will be equal to 7.242344. So now we have find out the value of beta and we have also determined the order of the filter. We can now find out the Kaiser window expression, that is Wkn equals to I naught, which is modified Bessel function of zero order I naught beta under root 1 minus 2n by m minus 1 whole square over I naught beta. This will go from 0 to n up to m minus 1. In this case, m minus 1 is 94 and 0 elsewhere, where I naught x is equal to 1 plus summation k equals to 1 to infinity bracket 1 by k factorial x by 2 k whole square. Then we can write this I naught x as 1 plus 0.25 x square plus 0.25 x square by 2 factorial square 0.25 x square to the power square plus 0.25 x square to the power 3 over 3 factorial square plus 0.25 x square to the power 4 over 4 factorial square. Now we have to find out x in each case. So for WKN, it is actually goes from 0 to m minus 1. So we will just solve for Wk is equal to 0. Remaining values will be solved by the computer or digital programmer. We will try to find out some of the values of the Kaiser window. Let's say for n equals to 0, Wkn will be equal to I naught beta under root 1 minus 2n by m minus 1 whole square over I naught beta. Now beta is 7.24, n is equal to 0, m minus 1 is 94. Substituting these values will give I naught 7.24, 1 minus 0 square over I naught 7.24. This will give I naught 0 over I naught 7.24. This I naught 0 is nothing but 1, so it will be 1 over I naught 7.24. In a similar manner, we can find out all other values of the Kaiser window, that is Wkn from n is equal to 0 to m minus 1 using digital computers. Next part is to multiply the ideal filter response with window function to achieve FIR filter response, that is Hn. So Hn is equal to Hdn into Wkn for the Kaiser window. So Hdn is sine omega c n minus t over pi n minus t, where Wkn is I naught beta 1 minus 2n by m minus 1 whole square over I naught beta for n equals to 0, 1, 2 up to m minus 1. Now substituting these values will give Hn equals to sine 0.25 pi n minus 46 over pi n minus 46 into modified Bessel function of 0 order I naught 7.24 under root 1 minus 2n by 94 whole square over I naught 7.2. So this is impulse response using Kaiser window. Thank you.